Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I just wanted to do a little update on what I said today about the rollout of Windows 11 that is now going to more computers. I probably didn't explain it well in the way that I talked about it, and what I want to say here is that they haven't changed minimum requirements or anything. They're only giving it faster to people that have the supported hardware. What happens with the Windows rollout when it's brand new is they don't offer it to everybody that is compatible at first. They just give it to a certain amount of people that can see it and can upgrade to it. So the video that I posted today probably gave the impression on some people that they kind of are offering it to more hardware, and it's not the case. It's the minimum requirements haven't changed, and Microsoft does not want to change that. And anyways, there's a lot of things that will not work if you're not supported. For example, the Android apps will not work on all the machines that are not supported because of the way that they need the virtualization of the CPU, the way that they actually work. They even need an SSD. I'm going to make a separate video talking about this. The minimum requirement for Android is quite high. So no, the minimum requirement stays. Like I said, it's just that they don't offer it immediately to everybody that's compatible. They start slow, but now some of you that didn't see it and that can upgrade because you're compatible can possibly see it now, and you didn't see it before. And actually, a lot of people in the comments said, "Yep, I've got it in the last few days. I wasn't there before, and now they're offering me Windows 11." But once again, that minimum requirement of Windows 11 has not changed. You're not going to get support for Windows 11, for example, in a year from now if you don't have support for Windows 11 right now. This is really, they're not backing off, and they will not back off. That's very clear about Microsoft, about how that minimum requirement will never change. So don't think that you will have it at some point and be compatible as you're not compatible now. It's just being offered to more people. The rollout is actually going faster to the people that have supported hardware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.